Welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. In this video, we'll discuss how to use ChatGPT. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, decision making, and language comprehension. Generative AI can generate new content, text, code, summaries, ideas, and more in response to your commands or prompts. A prompt is simply the instructions, questions, or input you give to ChatGPT. Think of it as telling a very knowledgeable assistant what you need them to do. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. The ChatGPT architecture allows it to understand context, to weigh the importance of certain words in a prompt, and to generate relevant responses based on the input. ChatGPT can generate content, provide explanations, help with brainstorming, assist with decision making, and much more. So let's look at ways to use ChatGPT. So for someone new to ChatGPT, it's essential to understand how to effectively interact with the model to get the best results. As mentioned on a previous slide, a prompt is simply the instructions, questions, or input you give to ChatGPT to get an accurate response. So this screen clip shows us the ChatGPT interface. It's very simple, very easy to use. Simply put in the information that you're looking to get assistance with in the prompt box where it says ask anything in box number 1. Enter your question. Sometimes ChatGPT will prompt you to log in. So you'll notice in box number 2, there is a login area to click on if you have an account, and if you don't, then you can sign up for free. Sometimes when you're asking for images or videos or some other more heavy content, it will ask you to sign in. So it's good to have an account. Once you've entered your prompt, ChatGPT will generate a response. It may give you what you want on the first try, or you may need to provide more details. Here are some practical applications for ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help answer factual questions or provide insights on a wide range of topics, from science to history to pop culture. It can help you write essays, stories, emails, reports, and more. It can also assist with grammar, punctuation, and style. Whether you're brainstorming for a project, coming up with story ideas, or looking for creative solutions, ChatGPT can provide inspiration. It can assist with math problems, help with coding, and even generate or debug code in various programming languages. It can translate text between different languages and help with understanding foreign languages. It can engage in friendly, open-ended conversations for things like exercise or for creating a new recipe for a special occasion. So how to use ChatGPT? So the ChatGPT conversation starts simply by typing your query or message in the prompt box, and ChatGPT will respond with its best attempt at providing a relevant and helpful answer. If the initial response is not quite what you wanted, try to refine your prompt with more detail or specific examples. If the response you get still isn't quite what you expected, ask for clarification or refine your request. ChatGPT adapts and learns from your inputs to provide better answers. If you're looking for detailed answers or assistance with a specific topic, try to be as clear and concise as possible with your question or request. Be clear about what you want. If you need a list, an outline, or specific format, let ChatGPT know. It improves its responses when you provide feedback. So if a response is off, let it know and it will try again. And if the answer isn't fully what you're looking for, don't hesitate to follow up with questions for more detail or clarification. And it can engage in lighthearted conversations, so it can give you recommendations, help provide suggestions, and help with daily tasks. So in summary, whether it's for brainstorming, content creation, customer service, or personal productivity, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you be more efficient, creative, and informed. By following the guidelines we've discussed and experimenting with different prompts, you'll become comfortable with ChatGPT in no time. So hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.